Okay, so I'm here in FlowLab, and I'm just going to do a quick tutorial about how to pick up an object. So let's say my player, I want to be able to use the player and pick up a key in this situation. So I need to create a behavior that is called attacher. And basically what I'm doing is I'm going to attach the key to my player when they collide. So that behavior is under components, attacher. Now what I want to do is I want to attach the key to my player. So I've named that key sprite key so that I know which one it is. So I want to attach a key. And my trigger for that is going to be when there's a collision between my player and the key. So triggers, collision, and again, it's when I want it to happen when my player collides with the key. So I need to set the type to key. And then I just connect. So when the collision is a hit, the attacher turns on. And let's do a test play and see how this works. So there's my player. Alright, so there was a collision, and now a key has been attached to my player. And you'll notice that the original key is still there. If that's a problem for you, we can fix it. We just need to destroy the original key. So we want to add a destroyer behavior to the key. Notice I click on the key this time and not the player. So destroyer is under components, just like attacher was. So again, we want the trigger to happen when there's a collision between the player and the key. So I'm going to set my collision, in this case, when the key collides with the player. We want the destroyer to destroy the key. So let me connect these two, and let's do a test play to make sure it works. And look at that. So now my player has a key attached to him, and the original key appears to have disappeared. Now it would be really nice if I could use this key to do something.